You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to convert Microsoft Word file into a text file using Python. We cannot directly open, rename or convert docx file to txt file using Python file system because docx files have special formattings and settings. For converting docx files to text files, we will have to use third-party library package. Here I am using docx to txt package. Please keep in mind that when we convert any docx file to txt file, then it will lose all its formattings, images, tables, etc. Now I am showing the Word file that we will convert into a text file. The name of docx file is India. It has some lines of text. Let's start. First of all, we will install our package docx to txt by using pip manager in Anaconda command prompt. My editor is Anaconda Spider. In coding, first of all, we will import our package that's name is docx to txt. Here I am using a label D2T in place of whole package name docx to txt. Next we will assign our docx file that's name is india.docx to a variable d file. Next we will specify our new txt file that's name is india.txt and assign this name to a variable t file. Next we will call process function of docx to txt library that will convert the text of Microsoft Word file into a text file material. This material is stored in a string that's name is doc. Next we will open a new empty text file in write mode. Encoding format of this file is universal true font 8. The cursor of this file is file variable and the text file name is india.txt. Next we will place text material of doc string into our text file india.txt. Next we will close our cursor file. At last we will print the message that we have converted docx file to txt file and run the program. In output window you can see a message that file converted. It means we have converted our docx file into a text file. You can see this is the text file. Now I am closing this tutorial for today. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel Computer Coding Class.